one of the application of implicit derivative. Verify that a given point is on the curve and find the lines that are tangent and normal to the curve at the given point. So we're given this equation for a curve x squared plus xy minus y squared equals 1. And we're given this point 2, 3 to prove or disprove that this point on this curve. So we will substitute for 2 as x and 3 as y and just plug it in here. So this is the first request. So it will be x squared, which is 2 squared, plus x times y, 2 times 3, minus y squared, which is 3 squared. Then 2 squared is 4, plus 2 times 3 is 6, minus 3 squared is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 9 equals 1. So left equals right. Then yes, this point on the curve. The given point is on the curve. That's the first part, the given point on the curve. Another two parts, which is find the lines that are tangent. If we have curve like this and we have point on the curve, we need to find the equation of the line that it's tangent. This is tangent line. It just touch the curve in a point, just one point, tangent. And the normal to the curve is perpendicular to the tangent. Perpendicular, has perpendicular slope. That's normal. Perpendicular slope. Normal. How to find the tangent first? Tangent line equation. So we need to work on this function, find the derivative. That's my target. Any line, you want to find it, you want to write an equation to any line, we must have the slope of this line. So to find the slope of this line, we need to find the derivative of y with respect to x. This is the slope. We need to find that. Clearly, we have to find this. Very important. So since this function contains more than one variable x and y, we need to find the derivative implicitly. So first we find the derivative of x squared. Derivative of x squared, you drop 2 in the front, then it will be 2 x, and 2 minus 1 is 1, times the derivative of x, which is 1. So it's 2x. Plus, we need to find the derivative of xy. Here is the derivative of xy. It's the product formula. If this is u and this is v, we apply product, the derivative product, which is u dash v plus u v dash. So the derivative of the function, if we have like a product, two variables multiplied, two items multiplied, what we could do is u dash v plus u v dash. The derivative of x, which is 1, times v is y, so 1y, which is y, plus u, which is x, and derivative of v, which is the derivative of y, is 1 times dy over dx. That's implicit. dy over dx. So we will substitute for that. dy plus x dy over dx, we plug it in here. So instead of xy, we put the derivative. This is the derivative. It will be y plus x dy over dx minus. Now we're going to find the derivative of y squared. The derivative of y squared is like x. It's 2x. And here it will be 2y, but we have variable y. It will be dy over dx. That's the derivative implicitly. Equals the derivative of right side 1, which is 0, And now our mission is to solve it for dy over dx. Solve it for dy over dx. We need to separate dy over dx. So we're gonna keep any items with dy over dx. Keep it on the left side, and we're gonna move any non dy over dx items to the right side. Move it to the right side. That's what we're gonna do. So we keep x dy over dx minus 2y dy with respect to x. I prefer to say dy with respect to dx. dy with respect to x equals, when we move 2x to the other side, will be negative 2x. We subtract minus 2x. When we move y, we subtract y. It will be negative y. We're about to finish this. So as we mentioned before, we need to separate dy over dx. So we need to take it out, dy over dx, common, and x minus 2y left. X minus 2y left. We take dy over dx out, and x minus 2y left equals negative 2x minus y. Now we're going to divide both sides by x minus 2y because I need to separate dy over dx. So dy over dx equals negative 2x minus y. We'll receive x minus 2y under it. Here, we divide it by. That's the derivative. And to find the slope at that point, the given point is 2 and 3. X is 2 and y is 3. We need to substitute for 2 and 3. So what we're going to do here is to find the derivative at the point 2 and 3. X is 2 and y is 3. So it's plugging in 2 for x and 3 for y. So it's negative 2 times x is 2 minus 3, y is 3 over 2 minus 2 times y is 3 here. Simplify, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, minus 3 is negative 7 over 2 minus 2 times 3 is 6. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. Cancel negative 4 is negative. Then the slope of this line is 7 over 4. This is the slope of tangent line. Slope. When we come to linear equation, as we had it before in algebra, linear equation, if we know the slope m, this is m, the slope, we're going to find the formula for that, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That's to write the tangent line equation. Already we have y1, we have it. Already we have x1 from the given point. From the given point, y is 3 and x is 2. And here will be y1 and x1. And already we have, we just got the slope, 7 over 4, just substitute for it. So it will be y minus y1 is from the given point, is 3. So y minus 3 equals, the slope is 7 over 4 times x minus x1 from the given point is 2. We could add 3 to both sides and distribute 7 over 4. So y equals, distribute 7 over 4 is 7 over 4x. And 7 4 times negative 2 is negative. Cancel 2 is 2, will be 7 over 2. And add 3 to both sides, it will be plus 3. So just we need to simplify 3 minus 7 over 2. 7 over 2 is 3.5. 3.5. So negative 3.5 and 3 is 0.5, which is a half. So it will be y equals 7 over 4x, and negative 3.5 plus 3 is negative 0.5, which is negative a half. This is the equation of tangent line. Tangent line equation. Tangent line. To find the normal line equation depend on the slope. So this is the slope of the tangent line. Tangent. If you want to find the slope of normal line, it's perpendicular. We're gonna do two things here, two actions. First is to change the sign. Second is to flip 7 over 4 to be 4 over 7. That's the slope of the normal line. Slope of normal line, negative 4 over 7. If you multiply the slope and its perpendicular slope, it will be negative 1. 7 over 4 times negative 4 over 7 is negative 1. So just change the sign and flip it to be 4 over 7. Negative 4 over 7. So we're going to do the same, but instead of 7 over 4 will be negative 4 over 7. So rewrite this equation. It will be y minus 3 equals negative 4 over 7 x minus 2. And distribute negative 4 over 7 to be negative 4x over 7. And negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8 over 7. Add 3 to both sides. So just simplify that. Negative 8 over 7 and 3. Of course, we could multiply 3, multiply times 7 over 7 to have the common denominator, same common denominator. So the equation will be y equals negative 4 over 7 plus, this is 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 8 is 29. 29 over 7. So it's negative 4x over 7 plus 29 over 7. That's the equation of normal line. It is done. I hope you got it. Any question, just write to me in your comments. Thank you so much.